Air conditioning is the least of it. Whenever you've got black mold, asbestos, lead-based paint.
Todd Chrisley's whole new reality behind bars keeps getting darker.
What we will not do is we will not break.
No AC, bad plumbing, and the possibility of mold.
It's a nightmare. It's awful.
Shocking details from his legal team's new lawyer, powerhouse defense attorney Jay Surgent. He tells ET both Todd and wife Julie are not asking for special treatment at their prisons.
If you're in a government facility, you should have air conditioning.
In fact, Jay says the administration at both of their facilities aren't handling things properly because of their celebrity status. What else? The Chrisley Knows best patriarch claims he was photographed while sleeping. And Todd suspects he isn't receiving his mail.
That to me is an issue.
That's Todd's adult children, Savannah and Chase, sounding alarm bells on her Unlocked podcast on Tuesday. As for their mom, Julie,
she just had snakes literally right there where her bed is.
And then the way they think to apprehend a snake is to mace it.
Any family who faces a loved one going to prison, it's a very difficult challenge, but they're strong, they're faithful.
They're both in states where it gets 100+ degrees and there's no air conditioning.
Yep, both prisons are a far cry from the couple's Nashville mansion. Todd's federal facility is in Florida and Julie's is in Kentucky. They're 655 miles apart.
We made a commitment that we were not going to give up.
They surrendered to authorities back in January, starting their combined 19-year sentence after the couple's convictions last year for bank fraud and tax evasion.
I've never seen two people, my parents, be so steadfast in their faith. In the end, the truth will prevail. It may get harder before it gets easier, but we have faith.
In light of these allegations, Jay is requesting home confinement for the couple and a reduction on their sentences.
Everyone always wants an update on how mom and dad are doing, and they're doing fine.
They're doing as good as they can,
Exactly.
I guess.
They're doing fine with what they're given.
They were not built to break, and this damn sure is not going to break them.
They have always said that they're innocent, that they have not done these things, and they will stick to that.
Now, the family's #1 mission, clear Todd and Julie's names. Their second priority, use their platform to speak out on the state of the prison system.
I think they're optimistic, and let me be clear, I think that optimism is well placed. This trial was riddled with errors, and we expect the appeals court to see that.
We can help other people who are going through things like
Absolutely.
this. People who cannot afford to have proper counsel to represent them.